Hi, I'm Carolyn Orchid, owner, proprietor of Springwood Inn with my husband Bob Orchid, and I'm here with a local filmmaker today, and we're going to go into my kitchen and make something, so please do follow me. Here we are in my kitchen at Springwood Inn, and usually if we're thinking about breakfast for our guests, we're thinking of two different things. One, we want them to have something savory like eggs, egg benedict, an omelet, something like that. Or we would want them to also have, of course, their fresh fruit, but then we want them to have something sweet. Today I'm thinking about sweet. My husband and I went to a farmer's market in the mountains of North Carolina this past weekend, and we got three different things. These, I know you know, the beautiful heirloom tomatoes, fabulous. Peaches, have you ever seen such a giant peach? Those are actually from South Carolina. And then we got this wonderful thing called Myers lemons. A Myers lemon is different from a regular lemon. Wanted to show you that so you could have an understanding. Here's one of our regular lemons that we would buy at the grocery. Here is a Myers lemon. You see that difference in color, that goldy orange? Here's a tangerine. It's a cross. The Myers lemon is like a cross between a regular lemon and a tangerine. They're less acidic. They actually came from China, where they use them for ornamental. But we're going to use them just like a lot of people do today to give a wonderful flavor to lemon curd. That's what we're making, lemon curd. So we're going to start by, first of all, you would know that I have the stove on over getting water boiling in a double boiler. Always, before I do anything, I go to my kitchen sink, I put some soap on, and I wash my hands. Because no matter what, even though you've been in your house and you think you're really clean, let's face it, we touch things, we need to make sure our hands are clean when we're cooking, always, to protect not only ourselves, but our families, of course. So we're going to start, and I'm going to take a double boiler right here. This is the top of it. It fits right into the bottom. You put water in the bottom piece, and you make sure that it doesn't quite come all the way up to this bottom. You want it to be boiling, and you want it not to be touching. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to actually do some zesting. So this is what I use for a zester. I think probably a lot of you might have one. It's really great. You just I've zested most of this, but not quite all. So I'll just show you that I take it all the way around the lemon. I zest it. And inside I have the zest, so it's right there. And I'm going to cut open this lemon. And you see the difference? You see, yeah. There is a difference even in the inside of a regular lemon and a Myers lemon. Just has a more orange type look. It's a little sweeter and less acidic. So I like using one of these because the seeds go in this part. The lemon juice goes on the outside. And if it does get a little bit of seed in, I just take a spoon, go like that. And now I'm going to pour it in here, as I've already started. And I did that half. Now I'm going to do this half. Really easy. It's very easy to use one of these. Hope you all have one, and if you don't, it'd be a good thing to get one for sure. I'm going to pour it in. Let me see here. I have a half a cup of lemon juice. That's what you want, a half a cup of lemon juice, all right? Put it in the top of your double boiler. Now take your lemon zest. You don't have to have one of these. It's just easier. That's what I'm saying. There are different types. See how easy that was? Okay, and I already have 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to put that in also. And I'm going to, one moment please, get my trusty whisk. I'm going to stir this around, just like that. And now I'm going to add 4 eggs. And I already have them. It's so interesting because these 3 eggs that I did are all double yolk. It's really kind of strange, but one at a time. Put your egg in, whisk it around. Do your other one, your next one. Whisk it around. And your third one, 3 full eggs, okay? But you also need 1 egg yolk. So I'm going to crack this. I'm going to put, just like that. It's very easy. Yep. And I'm going to put that 1 egg yolk in. Always have a towel handy so you can wipe your hands off. And whisk that. And now I'm ready to take this over to the stove, and I'm going to put it on with boiling water, and it's going to actually cook for probably about 15 minutes before it becomes thick, because it does have to be thick. And we're not going to do that right now. I'm going to just show you that I did this one last night, so you can see actually how thick it becomes. But what you do after you get it thick is you take 1 of the sticks of unsalted butter. I cut mine up a little bit. It's hot now. It would be hot. And so you add it a little at a time, stir it in, and now you have this wonderful, wonderful lemon curd. And you can use this in so many ways. As you'll see, it's thick. It's a pudding. And it's absolutely, oh my gosh, so flavorful, so delicious. You're going to love this. So easy. 4 ingredients. Do you believe it? Lemon juice, the lemon zest, the sugar, the eggs, and the unsalted butter also. And you have one of the most wonderful things that you can have. You can use it in puddings. You can use it on cake. You can use it on ice cream. You can use it for any meal that you want. I hope that you'll make it, and I hope you will enjoy lemon zest.